Welcome back, everybody, to Red Corn Outdoors. My name is Brian, also known as Red Corn. Today, my brother and I went on a little adventure. We went and played Airsoft at Arkansas Tactical Airsoft in Westfork, Arkansas. We had a great time. We brought our GoPros. We filmed as much as we could, as long as I could remember to hit the record button. I was so eager to get out there and put some rounds down. Met some great people, had a great time, and wanted to bring y'all along with us. Do they divide up teams or?
Yeah. That's your team color.
What arm does it go on? Right arm, don't matter. Where's yours? Oh, your blue team?
Yeah.
All right.
No, I'm scared of you. Well, I don't know if I should be scared of you. I'm kind of scared about the SWAT guy.
Hello, red team.
Hello.
I'm Brian.
Brendan.
Nice to meet you.
You can call me SWAT.
SWAT.
Tater.
Tater?
Yes.
Yeah, Tater. Tater the hater.
And Brandon? Is that what was your name?
Gator.
Gator. Okay.
Tater, Gator, and SWAT.
It was originally
You don't see me, I'm up in the trees.
Okay.
Ninja style.
Were you the guy that actually climbed the tree that one match?
No, I'm the one who fell over the tree.
Okay.
Yeah, I fell over the tree because the swordsman was coming up, did a tactical roll, lost the mag, and backed him off.
I haven't walked it yet, but
Would you prefer to walk across and spawn on the other side then?
yeah.
Yeah? Alright, red team is walking then. Blue team's gonna stay on this side. Fun. Yeah, I think that's how we'll run it. Alright, red team is walking! Get to stepping, boys! This man is needing an expedition of the field on the way to your spawn.
Aye, aye, Captain.
You trust where they field?
Yeah.
We got cameras up and stuff, so
Yeah.
we haven't had any stealing.
Yeah, and if you lose a mag, they will look for it.
Okay.
There's still, I have a BOLO out for one. It's an EPM1.
It's out on the field somewhere still.
Yeah. Alright, so the trees with red tape on them, those are your spawns. This is start a game spawn. That you see how it's painted red? It's got little squiggles.
Yeah.
That's your in-game spawn, so you don't have to run all the way back there. We have the same thing on the other side.
Is there an objective on this game, or?
I think it's a TDM. We do capture the flag, which is kind of one-sided unless you rush. Hardly anybody goes in there. It's usually on this side.
I don't want no one goes in here.
If you go in there, you're technically screwed because there's so many kinds of spots. This is called Capitol. That's the flagpole. That's another flagpole. Okay, that's gonna be an issue. Tactical fall.
Sniper route or
Yeah, don't
sniper
stand
stuff.
on the vehicles. That one has a board for the refs. You can't drive the vehicles, none of them have oil. This is a slip spot. Everybody has slipped here once.
Yeah, I slipped right here.
Yeah.
My whole back was covered in mud.
That was me last time. I was running up and I didn't stop.
Yeah, my brand new gun, my first time playing with it, I got it covered in mud. It just quit working.
So if you're counting people, make sure to keep your eyes on the trees. I'll try to keep them out of the tree. That's my home.
No, that's my home right now.
I have red right there. That, and then anything that has a fence, there's a red rope up there that's out of bounds. Technically, it's not his land. And then there's one down there too, which I mean, you kind of get the point unless you want to fall to your death on that side.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Did they tell us what we're playing?
TDM.
Okay.
What does TDM stand for?
Team deathmatch. So it's just everybody shoots we shoot the enemy.
And
they
it's not
shoot
really
us.
a winner.
No,
And SWAT, you said you're gonna hit up in the trees?
I'm going the trees.
Okay.
I usually just run straight to.
Yeah, he goes straight and he's like, ah, the whole way there, and then he walks back.
Oh. Is that Gen 2 or Gen 3?
You have visual on any?
Left side, right field. Rights to player with a backup.
All right.
I'll cover you, go.
Animal, I didn't shoot you this time. Thank you. I saw you pull up.
There's one on the left and there's one on the right. Right side behind the net.
What's your name, Harris?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna push this right side. Can you make sure no way like peeks out at Capitol?
Okay. Yeah. What color are you? Yeah. Ah, you got me.
That a boy.
I made it all the way around.
I saw you up there feeding.
I got two.
You got a poo?
I got two.
Oh,
But I do have to poo. So we put it somewhere that draws them into the open to have the, or there's only, you can only put it in certain areas, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's either in Fortress or Hobo.
this is the building I'm going
Hobo would be better if you're.
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking.
because in Central, they can hide behind the walls a little harder.
Yeah.
Don't we all have to vote where we put that?
No, we always put it here, really.
We could put it right here.
How about we put it
in the middle.
How about we put it under the leaves?
Yeah.
And there's a divot right literally horizontal with the hobo, and you can sit right there and have a clear side of it. And then just past that, there's this little brush pile up that they got going on. And try and get there and just hold kind of behind them.
Yeah, I seen an area like right
Yeah, that little
over
that's
there.
where
Yeah.
it is, right
We're gonna
there.
get next to that oak tree because there's some covers to my left.
Yeah, you got cover there.
And just be still.
Yep.
The in the Army they teach us I'm up, they see me, I'm down.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And that doesn't really work out here.
What unit are you part of?
I'm in 39th, Charlie Med.
Okay.
Right.
I'm 341st Engineering Company
Okay.
out at Fort Chaffee.
I was telling you, I was like, I'm a medic, so I don't really do a lot of combat training.
Yeah, I gotcha.
To your left. Just wait for him to poke his head out.
Hey, somebody come over to me. There's a sniper right there. Bomb is hard! Holy crap, that is hard. You're pushing left side! Pushing left side! I need help!
You good? Can I revive? I don't think I can during bomb. Is it clear? Are you clear? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Got 2 right there.
One in building, one in the building. One in the building. Pushing up. Got one in building. Left window. One in the building right here on me.
Ooh.
Okay, that's it. Oh dear, I can't get.
Good stuff. Squad wipe. Dude, arm the bomb and squad wipe.
So, there were 2 guys right here.
Yeah.
Well, he came up to respawn him. I lit into him and he put his hand up, so I was like, oh, they're both down.
Yeah.
I guess they both revived. I didn't know if, I guess there was a guy back here.
Yeah, I was shooting, like, I'm sure I'm hitting him.
Yeah. Oh, I got right there and clean house.
And then that sniper guy was hiding right here. Like, I watched him. I popped rounds at him.
Yeah. And the gray t-shirt, he was right here at the building. Cut tension between these two.